on me. It's not my birthday yet, cause I got it.
Hello everyone, I'm Zala and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a luxury unboxing. Well, I'm just calling it a luxury unboxing. It's not quite an unboxing because I've already opened my Louis Vuitton. But before I get into this video, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos. And don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zala. We all know that Louis Vuitton is one of the most well-known luxury brands in the world. And even though this brand is well-known and it is a luxury brand, it's not a brand that I was into. But thanks to influencers, I have been influenced to buy a bag. One of the reasons why I just didn't take to this brand is because I just associate Louis Vuitton with fake stuff. According to Google, it says that the brand's products are often counterfeited and Louis Vuitton is known for taking aggressive legal action against counterfeiters. So that just confirmed everything I always thought about. And for some reason, I always thought that, you know what, when I see a Louis Vuitton, I'm not sure if this is actually a fake Louis Vuitton or if it's, the real deal. But nevertheless, I got past all of that and I have bought myself a bag. If you're looking to purchase a pre-loved bag, and for all of us living in Australia, we know that interest rates have gone up 10 times and most people are on a budget. And even though they want to buy luxury and designer goods, most of us are trying to curb our spending. So if you still want to enjoy the pleasure of luxury, maybe you want to consider pre-loved. Okay, enough of my talking. Let's get straight into the unboxing. As you can see, it comes in this beautiful Louis Vuitton box. I was a little bit disappointed that the box is torn there. But she said to me that the bag came in this box and there's nothing she could do about it, of course. So there we go. It's got Louis Vuitton on there. And on this part of the bag, it's got Louis Vuitton as well. The hardware on this bag, this hardware is slightly tarnished. It's got Louis Vuitton on there. It's slightly tarnished, but I'm okay with that. I know that this bag was well loved and whoever owned this bag didn't really baby it, but she looked after the person that owned this bag. I'm just assuming it's a she. Whoever owned this bag really looked after this bag. It doesn't have lots of wear and tear. Even that part of the bag is just got slight wear and tear, and that's all right. It's got the Louis Vuitton on the zippers. And what I noticed when I came home with this bag, it didn't come with the lock, the padlock and the key. And of course we know that with Louis Vuitton, that's where the key and the padlock is kept. But for the price of this bag, I was a little bit disappointed, but for the price of this bag, I just told myself that it's not a big deal. And I'm so thankful to the person that sold this bag. I can see that they really looked after this bag. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, the hardware is a bit tarnished. All of this is a little bit tarnished. It's got Louis Vuitton written on there. And at the bottom, it's got these feet. And that's very nice because when you put your bag down on the table or on any surface, the bag doesn't get damaged at the bottom. And as you can see, it's in great condition. I'm really impressed with the condition of this bag. And I'm going a bit slowly because I want you to see that the bag is in very good condition. I surprised myself actually when I decided to buy this bag, because I never thought that I'd buy a pre-loved bag. I always said to my husband, I'm not going to buy a pre-loved bag. If I'm going to buy a designer bag, I'm going to buy it brand new. but I had my eye on this Alma BB for quite some time. Like I said, thanks to our influencers, they've influenced me to buy this Alma BB bag. She is absolutely beautiful, and I love the top handle. And as you can see, the handles are still in very good condition. You know, there's no signs of wear and tear on these handles, none whatsoever. So I'm really impressed with this bag overall. Would have been nice to get the padlock and the key, but yeah, unfortunately it didn't have the padlock and the key. I watched a video on YouTube, and it tells you what to look out for if you're buying a bag to make sure that it's not a fake. And one of the things that he mentioned, I might put his details in this video, is the fact that these feet are a lot bigger on a fake LV. And he talked about another surprise. When I bought this bag, she actually threw in and here's the handle, the strap. It's a little bit too long for me. So, and this strap is also in very good condition. As you can see, the hardware, like I said, is a bit tarnished. It's got Louis Vuitton written on there. On both sides, it's got the Louis Vuitton logo. This belt is in great condition. No damage whatsoever. So this person really took care of this bag. And the fact that this is a pre-loved bag, like I said, I love that it's a top handle. So I'm not going to use the strap, this crossbody strap, because it's a little bit too long for me. And another thing with this bag, she threw in the bag insert. I was so excited. This is what the insert looks like, and I'm not sure how much these inserts cost, but I'll definitely look it up and I'll put the price in this video. So she threw in this insert and I was very happy. The insert just fits into this bag perfectly.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be.
It's so difficult to show you the inside of the bag, but it's brown inside. It's got a pocket. It's got a pocket there, and it's date stamped. The guy that I watch on YouTube talked about the date stamp and where it should be on the bag, and I will definitely put his details in this video so you can watch it and make sure you don't get caught out when buying a bag from someone if you're not buying from a reputable seller. I can't really. When you're on YouTube, search Lux Collective, and it's titled How to Spot a Fake Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So hard to show the inside of the bag, but that's what it looks like inside, and it's in great condition. It doesn't, it's not torn inside, and it's got a few marks inside, but that's because this person's used this bag, so you expect the bag to have some signs of wear. But overall, this is a great bag, and you know what, I feel so lucky. Like I said, I believe I have lucky girl syndrome, or I'm blessed, because to have lucky girl syndrome, you probably believe in the universe, and God created the universe, so I believe in God. So yeah, I believe I have lucky girl syndrome. Well, that's what I believe, and you might believe something different. The most important question, how much did the bag cost? I almost forgot to tell you all how much this bag cost me. I paid $1,199 190 Australian dollars, and she said that she had reduced the price of this bag. Initially, she had it priced at 1,700. Now, I'm not sure if that's true, but I don't really care because I feel that 1,190 for my Alma BB is an absolute bargain. And I did think that she might have reduced this bag because it didn't have the lock and the key.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile?
Well, we've come to the end of another video. If you've enjoyed my pre-loved luxury bag unboxing, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos. And don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Sala.